Top 5 Best 80-Gallon Air Compressor. DeWalt DXC-MV 5048055 2-stage cast iron industrial air compressor. 80-gallon in just $2,589. The DeWalt 2-stage air compressor is built with a 5 HP tops motor to provide long life and quiet operation. Air compressor voltage, 230. The integrated control panel has a tank and pressure gauge and 2 quick connects for convenient control. Air delivery SCFM at 175 psi, CFM, 17. This compressor delivers plenty of air to run multiple tools at the same time to get the job done faster. Air delivery SCFM at 100 psi, CFM, 17.9. The thermal overload protection system motor protects the motor from voltage fluctuations. Nozzle fitting size, 3/4 in. Horsepower, 5. This air compressor comes from the factory with synthetic blended oil already installed. Height, inches, 80. Length, inches, 31.5. Width, inches, 34.7. Built to perform with a patented pump design that provides longer life by running cooler, pump type, oil lubricated. 2-year limited pump warranty. Tools Air Compressor Electrical Powerful Garage Power 80-gallon. 3-cylinder single-stage electric power air tires contractor mechanic car auto truck vehicle auto body shop in just $1,799. Best money can buy. Do it once and do it right. Use this. Official grade quality. Best quality delivered to your door. Excellent quality strong don't buy others. This is the best. Save time and money in long run. DeWalt 80-gallon 7.5 HP 175 psi vertical stationary 2-stage air compressor. DXCM 803, COM. In just $2,200.93. Cast iron, 2-stage, oil lubricated pump and heavy-duty 240-volt induction motor. 80-gallon tank is ASME certified to meet all safety standards. Durable wire-formed belt guard to protect vital components. Shipped with synthetic oil for optimum pump performance and long life. Equipped with tank pressure gauge and pressure switch. Air compressor. 80-gallon vertical tank. Single stage. 16 CFM. 5 HP. 1 pH. Campbell Hausfeld CE 4104. In just $1,754. Compressor boasts 80-gallon tank, 140 maximum psi and 16.0 CFM at 90 psi for high-volume airflow. The 2-cylinder, cast iron pump is designed for long, reliable life of up to 10,000 hours. Operates over 20 high-demand air tools for automotive spray painting, automotive sanding work, cutting sheet metal and more. Fully enclosed metal belt guard offers high protection and safety from moving parts. Campbell Hausfeld 80-gallon vertical 2-stage air compressor. XC802100, in just $1,531.57. Features an oil lubricated, 2-stage pump to increase the compressor's longevity and reduce noise. Designed to tackle a wide variety of jobs, from rotating wheels, painting furniture, grinding welds and heavy-duty nailing. 230-volt, 5 running horsepower, heavy-duty induction motor creates maximum pressure to operate a wider range of tools while maintaining longer air compressor runtimes. To 80-gallon vertical ASME tank maximizes floor space, leaving a reduced product footprint. 175 psi max pressure, 11.9 SCFM at 90 psi and 11.3 SCFM at 175 psi.